Hey guys, this is Pooja Pednekar and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. Oh my god, I can't believe we are finally at the end of 2020 and it's time to get ready for 2021. So today, I'm really excited to share my 2021 spreads with you guys. Just a quick reminder before starting. If you like my videos, then please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This would help me grow my channel and continue making videos for you guys. This time I'm doing a About Me page. I thought it would be good to remind myself of who I am, my likes, my dislikes, and people around me. And this is also a good opportunity for me to introduce myself to you guys. Okay, so as you can see, I'm a curly hair girl. My life revolves around 4 lovely people: my mum, my dad, my lovely sister, and my husband. I'm a full-time programmer. I was born and brought up in India and currently stay in Melbourne. I enjoy drawing, painting, and doing DIY projects. In fact, even my husband is into DIYs. We have decided that we are going to make many things ourselves for our very first home, which should hopefully be built by April 2021. Okay, you can read my likes and dislikes yourself. The color scheme for this setup is purple, pink and gold. So keeping that in mind, let's get to the coloring part. Moving on to my letter page. This is very near to my heart. Not many of you know, but I recently lost my father. I have decided that every year I'll write a letter to my dad just to update him what's up with my life. I have not demonstrated how I painted the sky as I have done this in the 2021 cover page. So make sure you watch my video till the end. I'm not gonna go in depth on the grid spacing as I will fill it up as I start developing a pattern. I'm gonna stop talking for a while as I think the video is self-explanatory. Here I'm drawing a bunch of angels which I will be using in various spreads. This is in preparation to the pop-up card. Here I am making my pink and purple sky. Sorry, I lost the footage of me painting the top section. But basically, I have done the same thing at the top, which I am currently doing. I keep playing with the colors till the time I'm happy with the sky. This is my very first go at drawing clouds, and it wasn't as difficult as I thought. I really enjoyed making them. Okay, so I have 3 cardstocks. The white one will give it a bit rigidity. Here I have left 1.5 cm on 3 sides, which I have then cut off, and then top part is 2 centimeters. Then I fold the top, middle and the bottom part. The bottom part will get attached to the white cardstock. Finally, once I'm happy with the arrangement, I stick everything together. These are the angels we drew some time ago, from which I'm going to choose the 2021 angel for this spread. Moving on to the future log. Initially, I wanted to do a 12-month log, but I forgot to leave pages for it. So, here I'm just going to include first quarter. I wanted everything to be consistent, so I have painted the calendar myself on a sticker paper. The next spread is dedicated to track my YouTube and Instagram growth. Hopefully, this year brings new subscribers and followers. If you want to support me, then subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you get notified of all the new videos I post. Moving on to my video planner. Here I'll keep track of the video ideas, expected release date, and similar stuff. This is my yearly memories page where I have made 12 boxes for each month. Every month I will stick a picture or maybe even write something about the month. I think it will be really interesting to look at it by the end of 2021. Moving on to my cleaning tracker. This is inspired by a tracker I saw on Pinterest. I have not filled in the tasks as I will be filling them up as I get near to 2021. This year, I have decided to track 6 habits as a part of my skincare and hair care. Even these cloud hairs are made by me using sticker paper. My next tracker is an expense tracker. The quote I have used here is, "Beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship." It has such a beautiful meaning to it. Hopefully, reading this will help me keep my expense to the minimum. Finally, the last few pages are dedicated to our home sweet home. I have decided to include our DIY ideas, shopping, expenses, and saving on these spreads. That's it for today. Let's do a final flip through. So what spreads did you guys do for your 2021 setup? Do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for sticking around till the end. See you in my next video. Bye!